Welcome to my channel. Sometimes I feel like my cat is secretly plotting to turn my home into a giant fur factory. I mean, does it ever stop? If you're like me, you've probably pulled cat hair out of places you didn't even know existed. But is all this shedding normal? Or is there something more behind the fluff floating around your house? Let's dive into this hairy situation together because today, we're talking about why cats shed so much and how to help them, and yourself, deal with it. So here's a fun question for you before we really get into it. True or false? Cats actually shed more when they live indoors than when they live outside. What do you think? Hold on to that thought, we'll get back to it later. All right, let's start from the beginning. Shedding is a completely natural part of a cat's life. It's like their built-in wardrobe change. Outdoor cats usually have two big shedding seasons, one in the spring to ditch their heavy winter coat and one in the fall to grow it back. But indoor cats? Their bodies get all kinds of mixed signals. Thanks to artificial lighting and a cozy, temperature-controlled environment, they lose track of the seasons. And to them, every day is shedding season. That's why it can feel like your cat is constantly leaving a trail of fur wherever they go. But let's be honest, sometimes you start noticing more than just regular shedding. Maybe there's a bald patch here or there, or you catch your cat licking like they're training to be a barber. That's when we've got to start asking some questions. One common cause could be allergies. Yep, cats can be sensitive to a lot of things: food, pollen, dust, or even those tiny little flea bites. Allergies make them itchy, and they'll start over-grooming just to soothe the irritation, which ends up causing even more hair loss. And let's not forget about nutrition. If your cat's diet is missing key nutrients like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, zinc, and biotin, it's like they're living off junk food every day. Their coat gets dry, dull, and brittle, and you'll notice more fur falling out. Parasites are another big troublemaker. Fleas, mites, and other creepy crawlies love setting up camp on your cat, turning their skin into an itchy mess and leading to, you guessed it, hair loss. And for older cats, hyperthyroidism can sneak in. It messes with their metabolism and can make them shed more than usual. But here's one that a lot of people don't always think about: stress. Yep. Cats are little emotional sponges. A big change like moving to a new house, introducing a new pet, loud noises, or even a family member leaving can throw them into a stress spiral. And when cats get stressed, they often overgroom as a way to cope. Ever caught your cat licking so obsessively you wondered if they were trying to exfoliate down to the bone? That's the stress talking. So what can you actually do about all this? First, grab that brush and make brushing a daily habit. It helps you control the fur explosion and is also a great bonding moment with your cat. Plus, it helps you spot skin problems early. Next, look at their food. High-quality cat food, packed with good fats and nutrients, will work wonders for their coat. You can also add supplements like fish oil or biotin, but always check with your vet first. Now, if your cat seems stressed, try creating a peaceful little corner just for them, or use calming aids like pheromone diffusers to help them chill out. And here's a big one. If you notice bald patches, red skin, or scabs, don't just shrug it off. That's your sign to visit the vet. Hair loss isn't just a beauty problem. It can be a sign of deeper health issues. All right, remember that quiz? True or false? Do indoor cats shed more than outdoor cats? The answer is true. Indoor cats shed more often because they don't get the same natural cues from changing seasons like outdoor cats do. The artificial lights and cozy environment confuse their internal clock, and the result is non-stop shedding. So, while you may never live completely fur-free with a cat around, you can absolutely manage it better. A good brush, a solid diet, and a little attention to their emotional needs can go a long way in keeping both your cat and your couch happy. Thanks for spending some time with me today. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stick around for more tips to keep your cat healthy and your home a little less fluffy.